स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का और पास्ट का 6th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं, सेकेंड पार्ट का जो है, ठीक है। इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। नेम 3 प्रॉब्लम्स दैट द न्यूली इंडिपेंडेंट नेशंस ऑफ इंडिया फेस्ड। Problems of refugee, problems of division of society between higher and the lower caste, and problems of developments were the 3 main problems which newly independent nations of India faced. What was the roles of planning commissions? There was a need to develop the country after independence. That's why government set up planning commissions in 1950s to help design and execute suitable policies for economic development. Next one है fill in the blanks. Subjects that were placed on the union list were dash dash and dash. क्या आएगा इसमें? फर्स्ट में आएगा टैक्सेस, सेकंड में आएगा डिफेंस एंड नेक्स्ट आएगा फॉरेन अफेयर्स। नेक्स्ट देखिए, सब्जेक्ट्स ऑन द कंकरेंट लिस्ट वर डैश एंड डैश, यानी कि फॉरेस्ट एंड एग्रीकल्चर, ठीक है। इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग बाय विच बोथ द स्टेट्स एंड द प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स प्लेड अ रोल इन डेवलपमेंट वाज कॉल्ड अ डैश मॉडल। इसमें आएगा मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन है द डेप्थ ऑफ द डैश स्पार्क्ड ऑफ सच वायलेंट प्रोटेस्ट दैट द गवर्नमेंट्स वाज फोर्स्ड टू गिव इनटू द डिमांड फॉर द लिंग्विस्टिक स्टेट ऑफ आंध्रा। देखिए इसमें क्या आएगा, पोटिश्री मालू। नेक्स्ट हरियाणा स्टेट वाज कर्ड ऑन डेटेड डैश नवंबर 1st 1966। न्यूली क्रिएटेड हरियाणा हैड डैश डिस्ट्रिक्ट 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट, गुड़गांव, महेंद्रगढ़, रोहतक, हिसार, करनाल, अंबाला एंड जींद, ठीक है। स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स। एट इंडिपेंडेंस द मेजोरिटी ऑफ इंडियंस लिव्ड इन विलेज, ट्रू आएगा इसमें, ठीक है। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली वाज मेड अप ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी, फॉल्स। इन द फर्स्ट नेशनल इलेक्शंस ओनली men were allowed to vote, false. The second 5-year plans focused on the development of heavy industry, true. What did the Dr. Ambedkar means when he said that in politics we have equality and in social and economic life we will have inequality? Answer देखिए, by saying this Dr. Ambedkar meant that there will be equality in politics in country because we will be recognizing the principle of one man, one vote and one value. But in our social and economic life, we will have inequality because our social and economic structures denies the principle of one man, one value. Our system is such that inequality in social and economic sectors will remain in our country. Next one, after independence, why was there a reluctance to divide the country on linguistic lines? After independence, Indian leaders were reluctant to divide the country on linguistic lines because they were of the views that it will hamper national unity and will be an obstacle in the way of nationalism. They were of the view that dividing India on linguistic basis will encourage regionalism, which will be a great danger to national unity. Give one reasons why English continued to be used in India after independence. After independence, English continued to be used in India because some of the South Indian states threatened to separate from India if Hindi was imposed on them. That's why Hindi was made official language, but English became a link language between one state and another. Move to the next question. How was the economic development of India visualized in the early decades after independence? As India became independent, it kept some objectives of lifting India and Indians out of poverty and building a modern, technical and industrial country. That's why government set up planning commissions in 1950 to help design and execute suitable policies for economic development. Mixed economy model was adopted in the country to encourage private and public entrepreneurship. Second 5 plans was formulated in 1956, which strongly focused on developments of heavy industries like steel and on building of large dam. From here, we can see the economic development of India in the early decades after independence. Some more questions. What are the main features of Indian constitutions? The main features of Indian constitutions are given below. First one, the Indian constitution is federal in structures. It has federal features such as a written constitution, division of subjects between the center and the states, dual set of governments, independent judiciary, bicameral legislature, etc. Second one, another features of Indian constitution is its adoption of universal adult franchise. All the Indians over the age of 18th are given right to vote in state and national election. Third features of our constitutions is that it guarantees equality before law to all citizens. It means that all the citizens of the country are equal in front of law irrespective of their caste, creed, color, race, gender, etc. Next, last one, fourth features of our constitutions is that it gives special privilege to poor and the most disadvantaged sections of society. They are give special privileges such as reservations to uplift their social status. Next one, which problems India faced after the partitions? Most important question है. After independence, India faced certain problems which are given below. Next one, as India was divided into two countries, lakhs of people left their house on both sides to live in other countries. Around 8 million refugees came to India from Pakistan. There was a problem of their food, houses, rehabilitations, etc. There were 565 princely states in India in 1947 who were ruled over by different rulers. There was a problem to persuade them to join the Indian federations. Sardar Patel did this work very well. Most important question here. Third one, at the time of independence, Indian society was divided into thousands of castes and subcastes and between Hindus and other religious groups. There was a problem to keep these peoples intact for the unity of the country. Fourth one, to the problems of unity was added the problems of development. After independence, there was a need to develop the country and its economy, which was ruined by colonial governments. Clearly, the new nations had to lift the masses out of poverty by increasing the productivity of agriculture and by promoting new job creating industries. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.